Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I'm here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Super excited to get started at this. Well, let's go through here. What is this? But which would you rather have, a Lotus or a Honda? When it comes right down to it. Like, they've got seats in there, but I think we don't qualify. I don't qualify. I shouldn't qualify. You guys presenting?
So, not personally.
Oh, come on. You should be up there.
Yeah, well, it's very kind of you to say so.
Yeah. You guys are from the UK? Awesome.
Yeah, well, exactly.
Right here? Decent seats.
We want more free by controlling mobility products on our own.
We thin, light, and wise is the approach Honda has established for EV development after going back to zero.
So I was right in the middle of the press conference for the major new Honda EV announcement of their Zero Series EVs, where they announced two new models, a saloon model, super slick, thin, light, wise is their new catchphrase. So their saloon model, and this van that looks and is called the Space Hub. So amazing technology, featuring thinner batteries, lighter batteries, focused on what they call the joy of driving. And you know what? I'm a Honda driver. I love my Hondas, and these things look fantastic. Apparently being announced for availability in 2026, which is not that far away. So they announced all sorts of stuff about manufacturing and marketing in the US, nothing about Canada specifically. Looking forward to hearing them say that they're actually going to start manufacturing either the vehicles themselves or batteries in Canada. Anyway, way to go, Honda. So here's my new car. Just have to figure out how to get it back in the luggage. Never mind, I'll take this one instead, or both. I'll take them both, but I really want this one in red. Nice candy apple red. Do you think this one will be too big?
For vehicle, installed on the top of passenger vehicles, give you this real point.
Whoop. There we go.
Just a controller.
It's
Not.
Yeah.
Teacher is here. You follow it. Mirror here for you check yourself.
The ratio for that to fit your taste.
Of course. That's so cool. How much is it?
It retails for about $800.
800 US. Okay. You got all this, including the dual karaoke, to annoy all the campers in the neighborhood. Because I live on a lake. My TV covers half my window.
That's the point.
I want this.
Yep.
Are you recording this? I got it on record that I want one of these.
Okay.
He's going to pick up one.
Yeah.
I just need the one.
Sure, contact me.
What size is it?
77.
Sorry?
77.
They're 77. That's okay. I can go as big as I want.
Yeah.
I only need the one. It's okay. Good. Wow. So the challenge will now be for content creators to create transparent content to be used on this more effectively. This is bendable. Oh my God, it's bending. So it's not all about consumer electronics. There's also some big ass trucks here. Electric, amazing. They look gorgeous. Rear view mirrors are all like just cameras. It's really cool. But there's only one problem. I did ask if I could pull the horn and they wouldn't let me. Is it just me, or does this thing look scary? Good Lord.
And situational movement so that everyone's aware, because it's not something they're used to seeing. Look at that, beautifully turns around, and then seamlessly now you'll see it transitions into that diagonal drive, allowing it to continue on its way all the way over to the back of our display here. Now these are just
190 officers, and we serve a community of about 300,000, but because of the close proximity to the border, we have a lot of people that travel back and forth.
Hi, I'm from Canada. I'm the president of the Drone Pilot Association of Canada. And I've seen some of your videos. The question I was going to ask you is, in Canada, we've had only 3 incidents where a drone has collided with a manned aircraft. 2 of them are police drones.
Really?
Yes, 2 out of 3.
Pray to God, we've not had that happen.
So I wonder, what are
And
your
we
insights?
We fly from 150 to 400 feet normally, but we have systems in there where we can see any other flights that are in the area. We monitor that. We do a lot of work. So having the visual awareness of our pilot and command, really the rooftop areas that we're on, we have the complete. We can see everything. We don't have high rises in Chula Vista,
Right.
so we're very blessed, and we're what's called the general airspace, G airspace. So we don't.
Oh,
have,
that helps.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're very blessed. So
Yes.
we're lucky in that sense.
So one of the things that I'm hearing is that in your situation, you've got a system with a lot of accountability built
Yes,
into it,
yes.
with other people watching the other police pilots,
yes.
and that was probably the biggest incident difference with
and
ours.
believe me, when we first started flying, let me grab up here.
Yeah, sure.
People were,
I'll get out of here.
Other like Astria, which is a police helicopter, they were all panicked about flying in the same area. Now we all have it all worked out, and we're all good. But we're very, very, very careful.
Yeah.
We don't take chances. We're
Fantastic, yeah.
Safety is the FAA's #1 thing.
Well, it should be everybody who's,
Yes.
who's flying a drone. It's filming me now, and I turn around, and it's following me around. I've just got it set so that it's just hovering on one spot. And when I'm done, I put my hand underneath it. And it lands. And that's the end of day 1 of CES 2024. A lot of discussions, a lot of great exhibits, and a lot of walking. Otherwise, it was amazing. So many things to see on day 1. Fantastic.